Welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of Newton's laws of motion. Sir Isaac Newton, a brilliant mind of the 17th century, introduced three fundamental laws that form the basis of classical mechanics. Let's dive into each law with simple illustrations and relatable examples to make them clearer. First, we have Newton's first law of motion, often called the law of inertia. This law states that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion continues in motion at a constant speed and in a straight line unless acted upon by a net external force. Picture a soccer ball sitting quietly on a field. It won't move until someone kicks it. Once it's in motion, it will keep rolling until friction, or another force like a player's foot, stops it. This is inertia in action. Everything around us showcases this principle, from a car that continues moving until brakes are applied to a book that remains stationary on a table until someone picks it up. Next is the second law of motion, which introduces us to the relationship between force, mass, and acceleration. This law is often summarized by the formula F equals ma, where F is force, m is mass, and a is acceleration. In simpler terms, it means that the greater the mass of an object, the more force it takes to accelerate it. Imagine pushing a shopping cart versus pushing a heavy car. It's clear that you need more effort to accelerate the car. As an everyday example, if you have two balls, one heavier than the other, and you apply the same force to both, the lighter ball will roll away faster. This illustrates how mass affects acceleration under the same force. This law gives us insight into how objects respond when subjected to various forces in real life. Finally, we arrive at Newton's third law of motion, which states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means that forces always occur in pairs. When you push against a wall, the wall pushes back with the same force, even though it doesn't move. Think about when you jump off a small boat onto the shore. As you push down on the boat to leap off, the boat pushes back and moves in the opposite direction. This law can be seen in numerous scenarios around us, from walking to swimming. As you push against the ground with your feet, the ground pushes back with equal force, allowing you to move forward. Now that we've explored Newton's three laws, let's summarize their real-world applications. The first law helps us understand why a seatbelt is essential in a car. Without it, our bodies would continue moving forward in a crash. For the second law, it aids in designing vehicles and sports equipment, where understanding the effect of force and mass is crucial for performance. Lastly, the third law explains how rockets work. They propel upward by pushing exhaust gases downwards with a significant force, demonstrating action and reaction. To visualize these concepts, let's take a moment to illustrate each law. For the first law, we can show a soccer ball and a player who kicks it, demonstrating inertia. For the second law, an animation of two balls being pushed, one heavier than the other, clearly illustrates how different masses react under the same force. Finally, for the third law, we can visualize a person jumping off a boat, highlighting the opposition of forces. Understanding these principles not only gives insight into how objects move in our world but also lays the groundwork for advancements in technology and engineering. From designing safer vehicles to creating innovative sports gear, the understanding of forces and motion is pivotal. As we wrap up this explanation, let's reflect on how Newton's laws of motion impact our daily lives. Each law explains why things behave the way they do, from the simplest act of pushing a door open to the complex mechanics of spacecraft. Acknowledging these laws invites us to look at our surroundings with a keen eye, appreciating the science behind movement. We hope this animated journey through Newton's laws helped clarify these fundamental concepts in physics. Explore more and keep questioning the world around you, as every action and reaction reveals the beauty of motion governed by these timeless laws.